Nice that we're going on a hike. Sure is. I thought you'll never get out in the fresh air. It's a bit different from riding Dusty though. Milky is like really temperamental. He never turns. Now he's falling over. I'm bored of that. I'll just head forward first. Crops are difficult. Watch out for that log. I sure will. I'll jump in first and you go. I'm going next, okay? Jeannie, if anything happens with Milky, just either jump off or try and control him. That was a good jump, Coffee, though I'm half falling off and you're not standing up. It's okay, Milky. Nice and smoothly done. Monty, Monty, Monty. Might as well call you Mr. Moody. Finally. Oh, Monty. Sweetie, we're the last ones, but that doesn't mean we're the last. All done. Guys, I just need to say, you know the crops end here soon. I'm just gonna go head over to them. I'll meet you later. What do you mean they're ending? What do you think she means they're ending? Like, I don't know, but let's just carry on in single file. Come on, guys, stop falling over. You almost squished my leg, Monty. Coffee, I'm actually off you. This crops aren't good. It's a waterfall. Come, guys, come check this out. I don't know it, but it sounds like a fall in distress. What? Why does it have to be so wet here? No! Shh. Guys, what's wrong? We heard a fall in distress. I'll go save it. I know where it is. It's in the waterfall. I'll go get you. Wait, I've got an idea. See that rider over there? Sorry, miss, can we borrow you on the train? Sure. Okay, I know you're not going to like this, boy, but round your neck it goes. Let's just pull you in. Shh. Oh, it's an Appaloosa foal. It looks like the one Toad Lion Nuts just had. Well, it's okay. We'll get you back to your family. Right after this is blown over. Hey, how do you think Emma's doing? I'll go and search. I'll go and search for her. She can't be too far away. Good idea. Are you sure Coffee could do that? Okay, I'm going. Emma! I fell down. Get on the back of Coffee. You'll be okay. Badger? Shh, okay, boy. You're all safe and sound.